Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Toro Matcha. This was on sale. It's a peach, and I don't usually drink this, but it was on sale. So here is the nutrient panel. There is the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And basically sparkling water, organic natural flavors, Japanese matcha, chlorophyll, and citric acid. So yeah, let's do a quick taste test. There we go. Okay, so it has a almost like a medicinal taste to it. It has the peach aroma, and yeah, it has the peach aroma, but it has this sort of slight green tea taste to it. But yeah, the citric acid throws it off, so it doesn't really have that sort of green tea taste that you regularly know. But it's yeah, tastes kind of peach aroma-ish with like this medicinal, like cough syrup sort of flavor to it. Not bad, but yeah, definitely check it out. Any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.